Decision in the NRA case rests in the hands of a jury. Attorney General Letitia James now considering her next move after Donald Trump's fraud penalty. Late this afternoon, the AG told ABC News that she will seize the former president's assets if he is unable to find the cash to cover the $355 million fine for fraud. ABC's Aaron Katersky sat down with the Attorney General. He joins us now live in Lower Manhattan with more on that conversation. Aaron.
Sandra, Attorney General James has been living with this case since September of 2022 when she first filed her lawsuit against Donald Trump. She endured multiple attempts to delay it or dismiss it, and 4 days after the judge issued a decision, she said she is confident it will hold up on appeal. The big question, of course, can Trump pay $355 million plus interest? The Attorney General told us that wasn't for her to say, but she said she would do everything in her power to hold him accountable, including, if necessary, trying to seize his assets.
If he does not have funds to pay off the judgment, then we will seek, judgment enforcement mechanisms in court, and we will ask the judge to seize his assets. And so at the end of the day, how he pays for the judgment is really not my business. At the end of the day, he is responsible and liable for $363 million plus $100 million in interest.
Right out the window of the Attorney General's office is 40 Wall Street. That's the building that Letitia James looks at every day. It was the subject of an overvaluation on the part of the Trump organization, and she says that would be the one that she goes to first to try to seize if, in fact, Trump somehow is unable to come up with the money another way. But he owes $90,000 a day in interest the longer this goes on, so it's going to add up very, very quickly. The Trump organization, Trump himself, his sons are expected to appeal in short order to try and stop that interest clock, but the Attorney General is confident that her judgment will hold up and that she ultimately will prove victorious over the former president. Sandra, Bill.